Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a business partner in SAP S4HANA. So this is a new concept in S4HANA. In ECC previously, if you can remember, normally we create vendors and customers separately using a different transaction code. But when it comes to S4HANA, they have combined that concept into one unit called business partner. That means in the business, sometimes your customer can be a vendor too. In that case, you're not going to create two different codes for to represent a vendor and a customer. You create one business partner and then you extend this business partner to a customer and a vendor as well. So this is really nice concept. So in SAP you have to use a transaction called BP, business partner, right? So we go to the transaction BP. It will be like this, and you have to select are you going to create a person or a group or organization, right? I'm going to fill this one, and here in the grouping you can select the number ranges, external number range or internal number range. I hope you know what the difference between external and internal number range. So I choose external number range, right? And then we have to select this BP role. It is very important. If you go there, you can see there are a lot of roles. To create a vendor, right? I will focus only about the vendor today, right? You have to first uh, create this BP to this role called FLVN00 FI vendor. Okay, so I select this role and it will give you a pop-up message. You have to select create. Now you can give a business partner code or number or anything because you have selected external number range, right? So I give vendor ABC BBT, any name you want. Okay, now you have to select a title and a company name, right? ABC BVT LTD or something, right? And you can give a search term to identify this vendor easily. You can give any search term, right? And go down. So I'm not going to explain all these fields. I only explain important fields as well. So street address of your company, if you have any, you can put, say, third street, and house number, postal code, right? Okay. Here it's a 5-digit code, but we can change that one, right? And the city, country. Now you have to select the region here, okay? And expand this one. If you want to enter the time zone or transportation zone, it is possible here. Okay, now go down. So these things also you can uh, enter if you know the telephone address, email addresses of your vendor. Okay, so after that, general data of your vendor is completed. Now you have to click on company code data. So the company code, your company, and press enter. Now these fields are edited. You have to enter the reconciliation number. I'm not going to explain in this one in very detail. If you don't know, just check with your FI consultant. He will explain. And the sort key, right? Other fields, yes, you can fill, but at this time, I'm not going to fill those things, right? Now go to vendor payment transaction, payment term, right? And okay, payment that also you can fill. Now the first row data is completed. Now you have to select the second row. After you select, after you created this BP as a finance vendor, right? It is only activated for FI module only, right? Now you have to activate this as a normal vendor. So there is another role FLVN01 vendor. You have to select that one, and it asks you to create or save. So you have to press save. Now system give a message. See, vendor ABC is created. Now you have to give the purchasing related data. So click on the purchasing, right? Enter your purchasing organization, press enter. So you have to give the order currency, payment term, Incoterm, if you know Incoterm locations, if you can give, right? And these fields not mandatory, but you can give, right? And okay, and the planned delivery time as well. So that's it. Now, mm, go to partner function as enter this partner function as VN. Now you can see the vendor number is here, right? Now you can save. See the difference after you save. In this role you can see the define within the bracket. That means you have completed this role for this BP for this role. Now see FLVN01 is defined. Let's check FLVN00. See, it is also defined. Now let's say if you want to extend this vendor to a customer, then you have to create this extend this for this one, FLCU01 and FLCU00 as well. No new number, same number, but you have extend your business partner to a vendor and customer as well. So that's it. Now we have created your vendor, right? Vendor changes also you have to do using the same transactions, right? I hope you get an overall idea about the business partner and vendor creation in S4HANA. If you have any questions, you can put a comment in this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.